I am Yogi from Zoho India office. I work for Zoho Creator team. Basically, in this session, we will be seeing how to create Zoho custom application with Zoho CRM and how, custom application with Zoho Creator and how the application can be integrated with Zoho CRM, possible Creator CRM integrations, and then with example integrations. So basically, the need for custom applications. So as you all aware, you should be knowing each application, each organization is unique. Each organization will have their own workflow, and they need to have all their data data integrated, and have their data have the up to date information. So Zoho Creator. So basically, from Zoho Creator is a platform for creating custom application. So as we seen earlier, most of you should be aware of Zoho Creator. So it has drag and drop interface. You can configure simple alerts and email notifications. You can define workflows, and then you have mobile support. Basically, you can export the data to any format. You can export the data in RSS feed, XML format, CSV format, so that you can integrate the data with any external application like QuickBooks or even Google spreadsheets. So basically, you can integrate the data with any applications. Okay, how many of you are aware of scripting support in Zoho Creator? Oh, probably I will create a simple application to showcase the power of Zoho Creator. So what I will do is create a simple purchase tracker application. So basically, this application is meant for raising a purchase request by a salesman in your company. So what I have to do is, so let me see how easily I can create that application. So this is the application name. So I need a form to track the purchase request. So with this is a form builder. So now you should be able to drag and drop any fields you need. So basically, a purchase request consists of who requests the and which product is required. So required so just by dragging and dropping the fields, now I am able to create a simple form with these three fields. So what next? Now we have this form. So now let's see how we can add power to this form by writing scripts. So basically, when a purchase request is made, we need to notify the administrator department, which needs to get notified. So basically, so for this case, what I need to do is send a mail notification when a data is entered in this form. So in the purchase request, when the answer, the on success is the event equivalent for the form's record submission. So here I have this email notification. So So once I write the script here, so now the application is ready, and I am able to enable a simple workflow. Simple workflow is just notifying that admin department that is a purchase request has been raised. So now let's see. Okay, to make it simple, I will show you a complete purchase request. So this is a full-fledged purchase tracker application that is developed on Zoho Creator. So this is basically a purchase request. So a purchase request has been made. So basically the complete workflow is available here. When a request is made, it is being marked as a pending request. So now in Zoho Creator you can enable a workflow like you can configure the request to be either approved or reject. So now it goes to the manager. Manager has this approval permission. So in the pending request view, so he gets all the pending assets. So now he can either approve or reject. So once this is approved, it is available in that approved request. Okay, this I have showcased. Just I am explaining this application just to showcase the power of Zoho Creator. So now let me go back to the presentation. Okay, custom application and CRM. Today morning we had a question like whether it is possible to create a custom tab in CRM. Someone asked that question, whether it is possible to create a custom tab in CRM. So that is possible with the help of Zoho Creator. In Zoho CRM we have only support for the predefined objects like leads, accounts, potential. Some 15 objects are supported. If you need a custom objects, say you need to track the travel made by the salesperson in your organization, or you need to track basically payroll of, sales commission for the salesman in your organization. You need a custom object which Zoho CRM do not have that support. So for those requirements you need to use Zoho Creator, create the application just like how we created this purchase request. You need to create an application in Zoho Creator, model your requirement and configure it as a tab in your Zoho CRM. We will see that as a see one example. Okay, to enable that the custom tab in Zoho CRM, all you have to do is it's available in the setup, application and add-on, Zoho app, build custom. I will show you a complete demo. So this is the screen. When you go to the setup tab, setup link, you will have this information. I will show you the screenshot. Pardon? Sorry?
Could you do it again? Repeat, do it again.
Which one you are saying?
Just where was the link?
Yeah, I will show you. So setup, apps and add-ons, Zoho apps. So here you have all the Zoho application that can be integrated with Zoho CRM. So here you have this build custom apps. So on clicking this, you will have this information. Okay. So I have actually I have here 5 tabs. When there are no application created, the screen will look like this. So when you click this enable custom apps, you will be prompted for the create application screen. So, okay, any clarification?
Will we be able to use a reporting from CRM or the data that the custom app is getting?
Sorry,
The data that the custom app is collecting, can you run the reports in CRM to get that data? Or?
Okay. Zoho Creator has a reporting ability. So all the data collected in Zoho Creator, you can run a report on in Zoho Creator itself for the creator data. So let me explain this custom.
Yeah. So you can't use the normal reporting
Uh,
and pull the data from those fields that you've just created in your new application.
Okay, I understand your question. Right now, it is not possible to. Right now, it is not possible to create a report on data that is available both in Zoho CRM and Zoho Creator.
So there are two different
Yes,
tables for
right.
reporting.
Yes.
And can you, so there's no way of reporting on new information from both those areas?
Yeah, currently it is not there. We will be supporting it in future. Okay, let me. Yeah.
Well, and maybe if you're going to get into this, let me know. But is there any way to create a applications and creator that will pull your required information or desired information from your CRM?
Yeah, that is possible.
Okay.
I will explain in the presentation. Okay, in this example, I am creating a simple custom application that tracks the visits made by the salesman to meet the contacts that is stored in the Zoho CRM. So basically the requirement is track customer visits made by each salesman, and this application should be accessible within Zoho CRM as a separate tab, and report should be possible on the customer visit. Basically the reporting should be possible on this data in the creator application. So we saw the screen earlier, right? The build custom apps. When you click the build custom apps, it will prompt for the screen. So in this screen, you need to enter the information like, so let's say I need to track a travel application. I mean the travel made by my salesman. So I am created a application name as travel, form name as visits, and the third field is the custom tab name. The name of the tab that will be available in the CRM. So when you press the OK button, it will automatically the form builder will be open, so that as we seen earlier. So the next step should be in that form builder, I create these following four fields: the account, the contact name, date, and description. I mean date is for the date of visit. So once I drag this field, the application is ready. I will show you the demo application. So this is a custom tab that I have created. So now we are able to create a tab in CRM, so which lists the, so whenever a salesman make a travel, he need to come here, travel app, click this add button, select the client whom he has visited. So this lists all the contacts that are part of that account. So date. Yeah.
Does Zoho have a creator, does it have a unique number field?
Okay, every record created will have a unique number associated with it. So for example, here I have created one application, right? In this case, for the every purchase request, it has a ID column. Can you see that ID column here? So the every form that is created in Zoho Creator have a implicit ID column, so that have a unique number associated with it. So this is the ID. So this number is unique for any record in Zoho Creator form.
Can it be modified, or is that an assigned number?
Right now,
It's a long number.
yeah, it's a long number. It is possible to shorten that number. That is one possibility. We are also working on supporting an auto increment number. So if you define it as auto increment, the first record will be 1 and the second record will be 2. So that should solve your requirement.
If you go to the ABC Corp account, will you see the visits listed on the account record?
Just a minute. Yeah.
If you click on ABC Corp Ltd, go to the account record,
Yeah, it will directly go to the account record.
and then you'll see the visits.
There's a
okay.
tab in there under ABC quote unquote.
Okay.
Where can I see the visits here?
No, we are working on that feature. Right now, it is not supported. So basically, just like the associated emails and associated projects, we will be displaying all the associated created records in the bottom. So just like the potential attachments, contacts, we should be displaying that related creator records in the bottom. We are working on it.
When will that be available?
It should be in the second quarter. In another 3 months, it should be available. So that is the most requested feature. So, any clarifications on this?
So, views and every aspect of the app will be seen here? Or just the form?
Okay, if I understand your question, for in a CRM tab, you can map a creator form in a creator form. You cannot have schedules. Creator application also have reports, schedules, other views. You cannot relate reports. So only a form and a view can be associated here, and you can change the view here. So on clicking this, it will list all the views. So this particular application has only one view. So if there are multiple views, that the view can be changed here. Yeah.
Can you create one form in Creator to populate more than one table?
One form in Creator.
Can I create a form that populates data into more than one table in the database?
One table in CRM database. Do you mean that? Yeah, that is possible. So for example, I can create I have that example in this presentation. I can create a form in my website asking for a demo registration. So in that case, when a client comes and registered for a demo, I should be able to create a contact for that whoever registered, and then create a task and associate that task to that contact.
Those are the two tables.
Yes, those are the two. Task and contacts is a table. So, any other questions?
Can I give multiple people access to create?
Yeah, it is possible.
in the same-
Right now, it is possible to create permission to more than one person. I mean, only 2% can have that edit permission.
Are there different levels of roles?
Creator,
Well, actually, across the suite, I guess, roles of administrator, user, almost like Active Directory security groups.
okay. In Creator, right now we do not have that. Actually, we are working on that. All the roles and permission that is defined in CRM will be reflected in Zoho Creator. So right now that integration is not there. It should be available.
Can you explain the pricing model for this? Because I know it's like a per user. How does it work when you have CRM users, and how do you charge? How do you guys charge to use your custom creator app within Zoho CRM?
Okay, this custom apps is available in the enterprise edition, and you need to purchase you can map a free edition of Zoho Creator with enterprise edition of Zoho CRM. So only limitation will be the free edition of Zoho Creator. You can share this application to only two users.
Right. What do
So-
you want to spread out for your, like I have 30 CRM users and I want 30 custom apps. I want them to be able to access this custom app all the.
Okay, in that case, you need to buy a 30 user pack in
30
Zoho
pack
Creator.
of
Zoho Creator.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Okay, right now what we have seen is how to use Zoho Creator to create a custom module in Zoho CRM. So next what we'll be seeing is how the data can be integrated across Zoho Creator application with Zoho CRM database. There are two possibilities. One is the data collected in custom application being updated in Zoho CRM. Basically the custom application, creator application reading or writing data in Zoho CRM, and another one is data in Zoho CRM being pushed to Zoho Creator. So example could be
Month-over-month reports.
yeah. So basically how the data from create, any question?
Can I just ask, with Creator, so per user, just asking, you know, that you pay so much per user first, but is that per application or is it for each? Is it per Creator? Is it for every application you create, or is it for Creator?
No, creator pricing model is based on the number of users.
What?
It's based on users. You can create unlimited.
Unlimited application.
Yes, unlimited application. As we seen earlier, the creator application has a scripting support. So basically we have commands, deluge commands for every CRM read or write operations. So using that, it is possible to integrate data in Zoho Creator with Zoho CRM. So these are the 6 commands that is available. So the first one is to create a record in Zoho CRM. Basically, I will show you the help doc. So here is a command. So these are the 6 commands. The first one is to create a new record in CRM. The second one is fetch records. All the next 3 are to read data from CRM. The fourth one is to update information in Zoho CRM. And also we have a command for getting the related records. So I will show you an example. So this is a scripting command that creates data in Zoho CRM. So here is the example. So I have a form in Zoho Creator, so which has basically 5 fields. So I have written a script in the on success event of that form. So what it does is constructs basically these are deluge syntax. It constructs a map object containing the data that is collected in the form and push that information to Zoho CRM. So you can use this to as an extension for the Web2 lead or Web2 case form that is available in Zoho CRM. So the advantage of having it in Creator is it is more powerful. You can create a flexible Web2 lead or Web2 case forms. You can also use this to update data in Zoho CRM. The conventional Web2 lead form, you can only add data, whereas in Creator you can apply some logic like where you can validate the data. Basically you can even assign owner to the created lead or created case. And also you can connect the web forms with more than one object, just like the example quoted earlier. You can have a demo registration form. So when a user submits a data, you can create a contact for the registered user and also a task for giving a demo to that user. Okay. Okay. The other advantages are you can ensure the duplicates can be handled, and also the nodes attachments you can collect have a data. You can collect additional data and add it as a nodes to the existing module, and it's a simple setup. You can have a customer. You can customize the look and feel of the form, look and feel of the creator form, and it can work with any object. You can even create a form for updating sales order or purchase order information in Zoho CRM. So we will be seeing those examples. So this is the example we seen earlier. I think this is pretty obvious. Any clarifications in this part? Do you need any?
Have you seen any interesting examples that you could share with us in your work on this that your customers are using this for?
Customer, okay, I can.
Are there any examples that you can share with us of that people are using this?
Okay, I
Can you
can.
give us some case studies? I talked to a guy that used this interesting.
Okay, Pascal. Okay.
They are using that for sample orders. The salesperson use a web tab in the CRM to manage the sample orders, and the person at the shipping use the same application to ship the sample.
So a customer could like log in and request a sample order and be like them logging into the CRM.
Yeah, we can do that too, but they mainly use that for maybe they want to give a sample over the phone. So they use just that.
Got it. That makes sense.
Thanks, Pascal. Okay, this is all about the web to contact form. Any clarifications? So this is the next example. This example is about okay. This example is about having a demo registration form in your website. So when a visitor comes and registers and register for a demo, it should be tracked in your Zoho CRM. You should create a contact in CRM plus create a task and assign an owner to the task. And
I'm sorry to interrupt, but in this case over here, is this strong enough to once you actually enter it and say it's a do, say the contact already exists, could it say, are you part of this company? Could it feed back additional information?
yeah, those things are possible.
It's possible?
Yeah, it's possible. So this is a sample. This is a sample registration form. So I have 5 fields: the email ID, demo required for, basically the product to which demo is required, date of demo, time of demo, and the requirement description. So the next step is, once I create the form, next step is I need to write the script. So this is the script. So basically the first line of the script, what it does is gets the contact information that is stored in CRM for that particular email ID. So the second step is get the contact ID and create a task for this demo and associate that contact ID for that task. So with this command, the next step is automatically you will get a task created and the particular contact is associated with the task. So this is a very simple example. You can extend this to any complex level. For example, I can have a pool of salesperson. So I can pick one salesperson in round robin and assign as a owner. So those kind, once since we have the scripting support, you can have any complex logic included in this application. Any complex workflow can be embedded in this application. So any clarifications?
So can that update the
Yeah, that is also possible because we seen earlier, right? So all you have to do is have this update command. So instead of search record, if the data is already there, execute that update command to update the information in Zoho CRM.
And you guys are working on something so those actual forms can be within Zoho CRM now, just like you see products and tasks and everything else. So it could be the custom form, it could be part of a record, the actual form.
That is how it is now, right? You can.
You can do that now.
Yeah.
So the actual, so it's part of like it's an item. So you'll see. So it's part of the account or the record. It's part of the contact record. The actual information, the form.
Okay, you want to see the related creator forms in the lead information, right? Okay, we are working on that. That is currently not available.
That's what I thought. I want to see if you were right there. I got
Okay.
it. Nice.
It is possible, not now. They're working soon.
Okay. So this is the next example. Basically, this is okay. This is also a similar example. So I have an application built on Zoho Creator. This is to track the sales order that is done in my organization. So basically, this application is fully built on Zoho Creator. So when a record is submitted here, I need to track this sales information in Zoho CRM. So I will show you a demo. So this is a sales tracker application that I am referring. So this is the order form. So whenever I fill this order here, so I have included the accounts field in this order form. So let me keep a simple. So what I have done is I have created an order in my creator application. So as soon as order is created, that data is being updated in Zoho CRM. So this is the data we added now. So the data is available in Zoho CRM.
It does appear in the account. It appears in.
Here, can you go back? I just want to make sure everyone's clear on something right there. Show me where it's showing. Where? No, that's showing us in the invoice, the line item, or in the quote. Right? I wasn't talking about that. That's different than I was talking about. It is
You wanted to see
different.
the form updates on CRM, right?
Yeah.
Any?
So it doesn't do that. The form is sure you can't put that form in the CRM.
It's there.
Where?
If we go to the tab.
So is it
No,
data?
this is Zoho Creator, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is a Zoho Creator application.
When he just created it, Zoho Creator is appearing in CRM.
The data is, but not the form.
Invitation.
But not.
So did that data go into a CRM?
I was saying that the form.
Yes, the data went to the Zoho CRM.
Question. The products, was that pulling from Zoho CRM?
No, that is possible. I created this as a simple application. Here the product is coming from this creator application itself. The product is coming from creator. It is possible. It is possible to link the product to Zoho CRM. So this application I made it simple, so it is not linking to Zoho CRM.
Are there training videos on the website someplace? I mean, the drag and drop stuff's pretty straightforward, but what about the scripting languages? What scripting language is it?
Okay, we have a comprehensive help document. So basically this is the help document we have. So it covers the entire scripting part. Okay, the video. Okay, okay.
Where is the document on the script?
Oh, the scripting manual is available here. So yeah,
yeah, that is also kind of a drag and drop and create a script. It's not a complicated one.
So for example,
I'll have to edit later.
Yeah, he will just show you a quick example how the scripting can be done.
But I mean, when you edit later, you have to deal with the scripting language directly.
Yeah.
so for example, so this is a purchase request form. So the first example we seen earlier. So when a request is made, so what all the things to be done, that is defined as a script here.
So creators creating this script on the fly?
Yes, this editor is creating the script. Basically you have
Go
a,
in and modify it.
pardon?
You can go in and modify it.
Yeah, you can go and modify. So basically this is the drag and drop interface. If you see, this is the if command, if to address is greater than 0. So for each command you have an interface GUI where you can direct, you don't have to write the script or you need not learn the syntax of the script. You can just simply use this graphical interface to create the script, to define the workflow.
And also we have given a booklet in your bag which is specifically for the custom applications builder that will have examples and also the other commands. You can refer that also.
So whatever I have described here, it's available in that booklet. Shall I proceed? So basically this is a scripting part that converts that order data that is collected in Zoho Creator and creates the sales order in Zoho CRM. So when a data is entered in Creator, the information is updated in Zoho CRM. Okay, so far what we have seen is the data from Zoho Creator is being returned to Zoho CRM. So the next what we will be seeing is Zoho CRM data being returned to Zoho Creator. So the data collected in Zoho CRM being returned to Zoho Creator. So there are two possibilities. One is the webhook integration and another one is email notification integration. So here the idea is Zoho Creator has a powerful API, powerful REST APIs for both adding, modifying and deleting the data in Zoho Creator. So you can use the webhooks feature that is available in Zoho CRM to write the data to Zoho Creator. Let me explain that webhook integration using a example commission calculator. So here the idea is whenever a deal is closed, a commission should be commission should be added to a salesperson's account. So I will be creating that application here. So the procedure is create a sales commission app in Zoho Creator. So what we have to do is create a form with the fields like salesperson's name, the account contact information, I mean the contacts field, and what is the revenue of the particular transaction, what is the commission rate, and the commission for the formula field. So once you create that application, so now the next step is whenever a potential status is changed from changes to closed one, the revenue data should be updated in the sales commission app in Zoho Creator. So for that we will be using this webhook configuration. So this webhook configuration is a workflow alert, like whenever a field in potential module gets updated to closed-1, so push the data to Zoho Creator. So any clarifications?
Could you repeat that whole process again, please?
Yeah. So, okay. So far all the previous examples what we have seen is writing the data from Zoho Creator to Zoho CRM. That is what we have seen so far. So in this example, what we are trying to showcase is the ability of data from Zoho CRM being written to Zoho Creator. So here the example I am using is a simple sales commission calculation app. So the sales commission for each salesperson in my organization should be calculated based on the revenue he makes. So that is the application we are trying to create here. So for that, basically that application is created in Zoho Creator. So for that I need create a form in Zoho Creator with the four fields. The fields should be the salesperson, the contact, the details of the transaction, what is the total revenue, and what is the percentage of commission that should be given to that salesperson. So this is the application that I can easily create in Zoho Creator. So the data in this Zoho Creator application should be updated when the status in potential is changed to closed-1. Okay, so that configuration I can do that using this workflow alert. I will configure the workflow alert in Zoho CRM. So configure a workflow alert and map that workflow to this webhook configuration. So whenever the stage in potential module gets changed to closed-1, this workflow will get triggered. So basically what this workflow does, this webhook does is invokes the Creator API for writing that data. So that potential information, that is the revenue that has been won, I will get updated to Zoho Creator application.
So where the URL to notify, what did you track that from?
Okay, basically this URL is basically those URLs are defined here. The Zoho Creator APIs are available for modifying data in Zoho Creator. So the URL is being picked from here. So this is the URL, creator.zoho.com/API, the application name, form name, add, and pass the data here. So basically this is a HTTP REST API. So we are using that webhook configuration to push the data to Creator using this API.
Where did you go to set up the webhook? Is that in Zoho CRM? Webhook.
It's available in Enterprise Edition. Basically you can use that feature to integrate Zoho CRM data with any application that has REST APIs. So you can.
He was asking where you go to set up the webhook.
It's I will show you.
It's under the workflows. So can you go to the setup? Yeah. And go to the workflow. Yeah.
Rules.
And
okay.
In the top there's tabs there. Next to field update you have webhooks. Before the follow-ups we have the webhooks. That is a place you have to go and specify the creator application URL, and then you can push the data from CRM to creator application.
So probably I will explain you that sales commission app workflow itself. So I have to do a create rule for that potential module.
So is this the only way to expose data from CRM to a Creator application?
Yeah, that is one way. And the
Another way is using an email notification.
Yeah.
But creator cannot directly access.
Creator can access. Okay, there are other way. In Creator, you can schedule, but there will be a lag of, there will be a delay in data getting updated. For the data to get instantly updated, you have only these two ways. Other workaround is you can create a schedule in Zoho Creator that can run for every day or every week, and that schedule can read data from Zoho CRM.
Oh, if you want an event driven, you have to do that.
Yes. So I will create a rule. Rule name is sales commission calculator. So next, so I need to get this rule executed when the stage fields gets updated. And the criteria, no criteria, and the criteria is stage is so were you able to follow this? Now what I have created is I created a rule on potential module that gets triggered when the stage field gets updated and stage is equal to closed-1. So now I map that rule to this webhook. So here I have to specify the Creator API URL. Is it visible? API, and then form name, application name, form name, and map the CRM data with the request parameter. So once I do this, save and associate. So once I do this, whenever the potential data gets updated, as the Creator API will get triggered, and thereby the data will get updated in Creator application.
Is the API number from CRM or from Zoho, or is it the same?
What?
In the URL link, you said you have to put the API number.
API key. It is same. It is same. Yes. So that's it about webhook configuration. Okay, this is a
If the CRM form has more fields than your Creator form, can you still push the information?
Yeah, it is possible because you are defining the fields here. So
what are the ones that you want?
Yes, it is a one-to-one mapping here, so it's not a